Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Shabana's Cuisine and Vlogs. So today we're gonna unbox a roller skate which is a surprise present for my papa and I'm really excited. So come on, let's unbox it. So here's my present. Come on, let's unbox it. Let's open it. And this is a knee pad, 2-piece. And this is a roller skate. And here's my elbow pad. So here's our roller skate with some tool and one set of elbow pads and one set of knee pads and one helmet. So here's the roller skate. It's so beautiful. Pink and purple combination. My favorite. And it has 3 tires. And it has a light too. Once we learn how to balance, then we can replace this wheel over here with this tool. Hi guys, so we are at Mamzar beach. So I'm so excited to try my new roller skates. It's time to practice. Yay, my papa is helping me to wear. I'm so excited guys for trying my new roller skates. It's a helmet time now. Now knee pads time. Now it's time to wear elbow pads. So we are ready to skate. As I'm a beginner, I don't know to use skate. Now let me practice myself. Yay, I'm learning better. We have practiced a lot today. Still we need more and more practice. So friends, it's time to go home. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.